I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use background sounds like rain or noise on your iPhone to help you focus or to sleep.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first, we're going to open up settings, and then we're going to scroll down to open up the accessibility settings. Then we're going to scroll down to the hearing section, as you can see here, and then tap on audio and visual. Next, we'll tap on background sounds, and then we're going to enable this slider. And as you can hear now, it is playing a rain sound, which you can hear or notice right here where it says sound rain. We're going to turn down the rain volume with this slider right here, make it a little bit more background instead of so loud. And then you can change some things like stop the sounds when locked. You lock your screen, you want the sounds to turn off, or use when media is playing. You can have that turn off when you start playing a video if you have that enabled. And then you can go into the sound option here and change what kind of sound it is, from balanced noise to bright noise to dark noise to ocean, as we had before, rain, stream, night, and fire. Personally, I like rain or maybe even dark noise, and actually balanced noise was pretty good too, just general white noise. But I'm gonna leave it on rain, we'll go back, and then when you're ready to turn it off, just disable this toggle right here.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.